1897, J.J. Thomson discovered the electron. In 1904, he proposed the plum-pudding model. He worked with light and radiation and led to the work of his student, Ernest Rutherford, and he also developed the mass spectrograph.
In 1909, Rutherford led the Geiger-Marsden experiment in which they found alpha particles out of a thin gold sheet. In 1911, he developed a model of the atom which involved a cloud of electrons surrounding a densely positively charged nucleus.
In 1909, Ernest Rutherford led the Geiger-Marsden experiment in which they fired alpha particles at a thin gold sheet. They expected most of these to be deflected back, however most passed straight through or were partially deflected. This provides evidence for positively charged protons or the fact that atoms are mostly made up of empty space.
In 1932, Chadwick used data from Rutherford's experiment to determine that the proton-electron particle found within the nucleus of the atom was actually a neutron, and in 1935 he was awarded the Nobel Prize for his work. In 1897 the electron was discovered, followed by the proton in 1909, and in 1932 the neutron was discovered. Protons have a rest mass of 1.673 times 10 to the minus 27 kilograms and a relative mass of 1, and have a positive charge. Neutrons have a relative mass of 1 with the rest mass of 1.77 times 10 to the minus 27 and a charge of 0. Electrons have a mass of 9.11 times 10 to the minus 33 with a relative mass of 0 and a charge of minus 1. Protons and neutrons are found within the centre of an atom in the nucleus, and electrons circle around the outside shells. The positive charge of the protons is overcome by nuclear attraction, so they don't repel, which is why large atoms are unstable.